Hey, it's me again, Mike Irwin, coming live. I just wanted to share the P90X workout and keeping you posted. Now, I haven't made a video in a while. Just wanted to keep sharing my results and letting you know that if you're struggling out there with your P90X workout, give me a shout. Let me know what's going on. Let me know what you're struggling with. You know, because we all do. We all go through days to where it's like, man, I just don't feel like it today. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. And then next day, well, next thing you know, you go a week without getting back into your P90X workout. That's when you start running into trouble. It's tough to stay motivated. It is. I'm an odd duck, and I do pretty good. I have to say, you know, I've stuck with it for over, you know, a couple years now, starting out with Power 90 and doing different programs and stuff like that. But sure, I still have my days to where, you know, maybe something comes up or, you know, you just get tied up into other things. And I know, I'm the first to tell you, man, my nutrition, I wish I could stick with it tighter. You know, but the way I looked at it was, you know, I'm not here. I'm 50 years old. I'm not here to get ripped up, you know, with a 12-pack abs and stuff. I'm old, so you know, I was in good shape when I was young, and I just made a decision that this was going to be a lifestyle change. You know, I still do my workouts and I'll follow my diet pretty close. But if I want to have a pizza or if I want to have a couple beers during the week or something like that, sure, you know, I'm going to enjoy that stuff. But I try to get my workouts in every day. And like I say, we all go through that. If you have questions, if you're struggling with it, you know, click the link below or leave a comment, send me an email. And, you know, let's get through this together because I know it works and it's made a big difference in my life. You know, dropping close to 60 pounds. So, guys, just let me know and I'll keep throwing some videos out there. If you have any videos, any questions you want answered, just let me know down below there and I'll make a video about it. Have a great day, guys.